The City Meat Market. This is a property we are now reviewing. The area I have circled on this aerial picture was prime real estate during the 1920s through the 1960s. There were 3 businesses on this block. The building on the left was the old City Meat Market owned by Mack Hutcheson. These 3 pictures show the old City Meat Market. These 2 pictures show the City Meat Market cart that was used to sell and deliver meat around town. At some point, there was a domino and pool hall on the 2nd floor of the meat market called the Blue Room. This picture shows part of the 2nd floor above the City Meat Market. The middle building was the old Ed-Tex Theatre. The theater opened on May 30th, 1930 and caught fire and burned down on December the 1st, 1942. This is the only picture that has been found showing the outside of the old theater. This picture was captured from Mr. LeBeau's 8mm home movies. Enlarging that small image caused this picture to be extremely out of focus. Using new AI technology, a much more suitable image was created as shown below. The 3rd building on the far right was a small convenience store owned by Mr. Frank Power. This is the only picture that's been found showing Mr. Power's store. A new building was built to replace the burned out Ed-Tex Theatre. This 1953 parade picture shows the new building being used by Mr. Skipper Kozelsky as a Buick dealership. The building shown on the right is now the Kennedy Barber shop. In 1961, Hurricane Carla took off the roof of the Kozelsky Buick dealership. At some point, May's Furniture moved into the building that was used by the old City Meat Market. The arrow in this picture is pointing to the May's Furniture store. There were probably many more businesses in these spaces, but this is the last picture I have before the buildings were torn down. The following 3 pictures show the buildings being removed. This building was built in 2001. It was used by a human resources group at first. Then in 2012, Sergio and Angie Tapia purchased the building for their Amazing Grace Learning Center, which they are still operating in 2026.